What's going on, good people? Before we even get started, let me, first of all, witness greatness. Don't hate. Don't hate. Let's go, Cowboys. Just gotta put it together, man. It's an emotional ride for me, so I'm not gonna. How about them boys? And it's been one of them weeks already. I know today, Tuesday? What's today? Yeah, Tuesday. It feels like it should be Friday, but cheers. So what's going on? If you are new to my channel, my name is C. Nail, how I see it. What you will see on my YouTube channel, I talk here about personal finance, investments. In addition to that, achieving F-I, which is Foxtrot Indigo, which is achieving financial independence. So I will be bringing you guys along on my journey. And my hope at the end of the day, man, is just to inspire, even if it's one or two people out there, just to change anything you're doing. But really transition focus from focusing on material stuff to really achieving that financial independence. And or the FIRE, financial independence, retire early. Either one, just to focus on controlling what we do with our money. We're just to inspire good people, man. We're average people. I don't have $1 million. I wasn't born into money. But what we can do is take control of our money, be good stewards, and be intentional with our efforts so that we can achieve that financial freedom. So you'll also see some funny videos here on my YouTube channel. For you guys that have already been a part of the community and the family, let me know. And for you guys that are new, please, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss future content. But additionally, man, just go and surf around my YouTube channel, man. Check it out. Check out my videos, my content. My focus is to bring value to everybody. But even on the funny videos, and let me know, everybody, if down in the comments, if you want to see me continue to do those little funny videos. It will be on just current events and things that I see, but let me know if that's something that you guys want to see me continue to do. I was thinking about phasing those out, but just let me know, man. But in this video today, I wanted to make a quick video, and this wasn't planned, but I wanted to make a quick video just looking at my Robinhood, some of the things that I've been doing here lately, and then of course the current climate where the stock market is absolutely crazy. I mean, it's a lot of he say, she say, and a lot of variables that are affecting the market, and it's just going like this, right? So me, I wanted to come to you guys and give you 5 quick hits, or what I call quick hits, and then 5 builders. So quick hits are stocks that I purchase or a position I create with the company with the full intention to not keep it in my portfolio. Meaning more like a swing trade. I may hold on to it for 1 to 7 days. Some of these I'll hold on to a little bit longer because it may take a little bit longer than that for me to be able to see that swing where I feel it's okay, I can make my money back and then a little bit of money. So again, the quick hits are going to be stocks that you don't intend to keep in your portfolio long term. At least that's what I'm starting to call them. I don't care what nobody else calls them. And then the 5 builders are stocks that are already in my portfolio that I fully intend, and even now during the pandemic, I fully intend to increase my position with those companies. Ideally, I'd like to average those positions down in terms of my average buy-in cost, but we'll get to that. So anyway, appreciate you taking this time. Ahead of time, I want to say thank you. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future content. Without any further ado, man, let's get into it. Hold on. Okay. Oh, and I think CD gonna be a beast at receiver this year. Don't hate, but just remember I said that. We'll check up later. Let's go. What's going on, good people? We won't even waste any time. Let's just get into it. So what I will do is, again, if you stick around to the end, you'll see me go ahead and sell my position with a particular company. What I fully intend to do with those funds is reinvest them into, again, those one of or some of those 5 builders that I mentioned I was gonna get into. So, and I will do that here shortly. So it'll be a good thing for you to see, so you can see sort of how that looks on the Robinhood app itself. But let's get into it. So I put my 5 quick hits down here at the bottom, and it's, again, that's just another feature that I like about Robinhood. You're able to sort of organize these things however you see fit, whether it's industry, whether it's top priorities, whether it's, okay, these are my builders, that's what I'm calling them, or these are my quick hits, however you like to do it. In addition to having the watch list at the end, so at the bottom. So anyway, so we'll get into these, and I won't go into great details or, give much feedback about these companies. All of these companies in my quick hits were covered in my last Robinhood challenge update. So please go back and check that video out. It just gives you more information about these videos. And then moving forward, if there's particular stocks or particular companies that you guys would like to see me do a deeper dive in, just let me know. And we may be able to make that happen, man. But anyway, we'll do some quick overviews of them really quickly. So get into it. The first company is going to be Chesapeake Energy. Now, Chesapeake Energy, this particular company, I will actually hold on to for a little longer. I foresee probably another week or two, however long it takes. For me, I know getting this, it was going to be a little while. So I do foresee, with the pandemic continuing to go on, parts of the country are opening back up, and to include Texas. Me personally, we all have our own opinion, and you're free to it. It's America. Or wherever you live, but it's my personal opinion that unfortunately it's not done. As we open up, it's obvious, that it's been and well stated that the risk will go up, the pandemic will spread, or that particular virus will spread, more deaths, unfortunately. So I do see, that continuing to affect the market, and there being some downswings in the road ahead. So some bear markets or some of those downturns coming up. So I'll just be patient with this one. But Chesapeake Energy, again, I am looking to, right now on Chesapeake Energy, I am down 16.65%, or roughly $47, almost $47. So right now, being patient. I got 20 shares, equity position of $234.20. I'll be patient. And when I do see that upswing, boom, I get out of it. And again, my intention is to, as I sell these throughout the process, and as I see those points in which I want to sell them, I'm going to just reinvest those back into the stocks that I do intend to keep in my portfolio. And the bulk of those are going to be dividend paying stocks, right? So next is Energy Transfer. And again, I covered all these in my last video. Energy Transfer, right now, I'm up 18.36% total return, which is roughly $18, a little $18. So I could go ahead and sell this now. For me, in this particular stock, I think I'm going to go ahead and be patient. I think I'll go ahead and be patient and just wait a little bit longer on this particular one. Who knows? I might change my mind. If so, I'll let you guys know. Also, if you are not already following me on IG, make sure you follow me. I'll probably do things that I do throughout the day. I'll probably update more on there in live time or in real time throughout the day than anywhere else, and of course on YouTube. So, but go ahead and follow me on IG, Instagram at CNell How I See It. Make sure you lock that in again, so you can see what I'm doing throughout the day, and you'll see more personal things about me, and get to know me a little bit more. But anyway, I'll be a little bit patient on Energy Transfer and give it a little bit more time. I don't foresee giving Energy Transfer as much time as I will allot to, like, Chesapeake Energy. So maybe another week, somewhere in there, but we'll see how it performs and see how it does. Nordic American tankers. Everybody hopped on this. I just had to, get my feet wet, put my toes in the pool. So with this one, currently I am down roughly 9.8%. So that translates to about $9.30. So I'll just be patient on that and see where it goes. I do think we have some turbulent times still to come, but I do foresee this rebounding and that swing coming. This is another one of those I'm just be patient and a little bit more time. I was at the break-even point for a long time. My average buy-in is $5, and it was at $5 for, it just kept hitting $5 multiple points throughout the day. But I'll just be patient with that one. And then the last company, Moderna. It's been all over the news, and it's the company that is seeing some real results, preliminary real results in very, very, very small settings. I think it was 8 patients. In terms of success with the process of developing a vaccine for this horrible virus that we have going around. So I think part of it's hope, and part of it is, okay, although it was an extremely small sample, and you would have to scale that tremendously. I mean, we're not even close to where we need to be in terms of the process. They are working the process, it's just gonna take some time. But because of the early signs that we're seeing in that very small group, you saw an upswing in this particular company, and it's been in the news. I'll wait and see, because it's a guessing game with, the vaccine itself. It's a guessing game. There are tons of companies working day after day, all hours of the day, trying to work on this vaccine. So who knows who will actually get there. Again, this company is showing some pretty strong signs that down the road they will be able to not only hopefully create a vaccine, an effective vaccine, a highly effective vaccine for this virus that we have going on, but also be able to scale that so that everybody across the world can really get that vaccination and be protected. So that's all of our hope, but we'll see. I only brought 2 shares. We'll see how it go. I didn't want to go crazy overboard. Some people are going nuts, and it may work out for them, but me, my risk tolerance isn't that high, so nah. I put a little bit into it, but I'm not going crazy. So 2 shares, equity position of $135.14, average buy-in of $78.16 right now. I am down currently 13.55%, or $21.18 on total return. So, and that was for the day as well. I bought these yesterday, so the 2 shares yesterday. So now getting into the company that I want to go ahead. So getting into the company that I will, at the end of this video, sell my position with is Intercom. So Intercom, I do see some growth moving forward, but with that particular industry and what they do in terms of events, concerts, things of that nature, I think now, as you see, everybody's salivating at the mouth to get out and do whatever they can, and the states are opening regardless of what the science says. So again, as I mentioned before, unfortunately, I do think that there's some turbulent times ahead. So it was never a long-term hold for me. It was more of a swing trade, or I'll just make a couple dollars and move on with my with my business. And the thing I like about that is, now understand, it's very risky, and that's not always going to be the outcome, where you're up. It's just not always going to happen, and that's why I tend to stay away from things like this. But I said, let me mix it up, put a little bit of excitement. But I did some due diligence and did my research, so I did see my couple shots here and there where I could take and just be patient and make a little bit of money. Again, it's not a huge amount of money, but something's better than nothing, right? And that's more I can invest into companies that I have a lot more conviction in. So now going to, and we'll bounce over real quick. The next thing will be my 5 builders. But getting into those companies, and we'll make these again quick hits. Aurora Cannabis, man. So this is my cannabis company. I've been talking about, since the very first video. Based on my due diligence, and if you want more information on these, you can go back and watch any of my videos on Aurora Cannabis. I do have faith in this company, and it's crazy. Even in the Heroes bill, or the Heroes Act, I was reading an article and it was saying that the word marijuana was mentioned more than the word job um, in the bill. So that's crazy. But for those of us who are investing into that market, and it's starting to pick up some buzz now, and you saw the performance of the certain or cannabis companies. I think, again, this is long term down the road for me, but I will be building my position with Aurora Cannabis. Also, next is Nike, ticker symbol NKE. I'm going to continue to invest in Nike. They have such great opportunities abroad. And again, if you want the information of in reference to these companies, or you want to see me do a deeper dive, let me know down in the comments and I'll dive into you and sort of give you what my thinking is and why I intend to do what I'm gonna do moving forward, or what I've already done. But just let me know. Hit me up down in the comments, man. Not trying to drag this on too long, but Nike, I'm gonna continue to build my position with Nike. Currently, I have 9 shares, average buy-in of $71.02. Now, although Nike's, much higher than my average buy-in cost, I will continue to invest in a Nike. I do think it's still an amazing value, very solid company. I see tons of potential, especially abroad. But the next company, AT&T, the famous, ticker symbol T, as in Tango. Right now, it's on sale, and it's a dividend aristocrat. And a dividend aristocrat means that they've consistently increased their dividend payout for 25 straight consecutive years. But this company is just solid. Most dividend portfolios are going to have AT&T as an integral part of that portfolio. So it's just a solid company, top to bottom. In terms of it, the growth side of it, to be honest, I don't see a whole lot more growth for AT&T, but just the consistency of it is why we need it in our portfolio. And again, I'm not a licensed professional. I am not in no way, shape, or form giving you financial advice. This is solely my opinion, and it should be seen and used for entertainment purposes. But I'm telling you what I do and what I see. So, and if you look around, there's a lot of people share that sentiment on AT&T. So, next company, Boeing. Boeing is on sale. Boeing is a company that we cannot afford to let fail. And I say we, essentially the world, but especially here in the U.S. From our government to us as consumers, we cannot let this company fail. I think it's a great opportunity. It does pay a dividend, but I think Boeing will bounce back. But I will continue to increase my position in Boeing every chance that I get. And second to last is Realty Income. Realty Income is another very solid company, out a dividend, and they are a monthly dividend payout, but very solid company, very solid financials. I will increase my position with Realty Income, ticker symbol. Anyway, right now I have 5 shares with them, equity position of $263.20. My average buy-in cost is $50.65. They are north of that now. Don't have a problem with that. I will continue to build my position with this company. Total return is roughly 4%, or roughly $10 so far, but not really concerned about that. Again, I want to increase my position with this company. Very solid performance, very solid history, and that dividend is strong. So last but not least, this is a growth stock, and a lot of people, you may have heard this name. I don't know, kind of a small company, but Tesla. For me, Tesla, the more research I do into Tesla, the more I am a believer. At first I wasn't, I'm not gonna lie to you. At first I was not a believer in Tesla, but as I continue to do research, I am all in on Tesla. Again, check out my previous videos if you want to see more information about sort of my thinking around investing into Tesla. Or if you want me to do a deeper dive, let me know. But Good people, I appreciate you rocking with me. I appreciate you hanging in there and taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future content. And go ahead and check out my previous videos. But much love, guys. Please be careful. Watch over yourself and your families and invest smart, man. Till next time, I'm out.